Ever wonder how you can take a screenshot on your Windows computer or desktop? Boy, I've got the answers for you. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter. Now, if you've got a PC, it is as simple as using the keyboard shortcut to take a screenshot. Let me show you how. Hold down the Windows key and then simultaneously hit the print screen button. Your screen's going to briefly dim, and that means that you've taken a screenshot and your captures will be automatically saved to the screenshots folder on your computer. To find your screenshot images, just go to File Explorer, Pictures, which you'll see along the left taskbar, Screenshots, which is a folder. This method takes a screenshot of the whole screen, and if you want to just take a portion of the screen, use a keyboard shortcut like this. Hold down the Windows key, and then hold the Shift key plus the letter S. Yeah, all three keys. Your screen is going to dim again, and crosshairs are going to appear. This is going to let you draw the shape of your screenshot. Once drawn and selected, your image will appear at the bottom right of your screen. That is where you can save it to your device or send it to someone. And that is how you take a screenshot on your Windows computer. For the latest in tech news, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.